Well, this is the one you've all been waiting for. So, what is this? Well, I'm going to call it a Class 31. A British Rail diesel locomotive. Isn't she just handsome? Oh, doesn't like the points that much. Now, this particular locomotive is a Triang built in Britain. How about that? That makes it pretty old, actually. One of the features of Triang locomotives of this vintage that they were very proud of is they had what was called magnadhesion. So if we lift it, can you see it lifting the rail? It sort of, to give it more grip, it's got magnets in there that hang on to the rail. Wonderful. Well, now we've got some decent traction running, we can get rid of some of the old clunkers. Where's me whistle? Hold on. Yeah, I found it. When I say I found it in my stuff here. I was issued with this and trained on how to use it. So, I suppose I could do it as a tribute to dear old Alan Wyatt, Mumper, the way Mumper used to do it. Yeah, dear old Mumper, bless him. Right, where were we? We was going to dispatch a train, weren't we?